In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix limited account problem in Telegram. If your Telegram account suddenly can't message new people, post in certain groups, or perform a few usual actions, your account may have been limited due to suspected spam. Don't worry, here is a straightforward way to check your status, and if it was a mistake, ask for a review directly inside the app. First, open Telegram on your mobile device or desktop. You can do this on any platform where you are signed in. The process is the same. Make sure you are using the official Telegram app so you see the correct tools and prompts. Next, use the search bar at the top and type FaceBamBot. This is Telegram's official bot for handling spam. Related restrictions. Open the chat and tap Start. The bot will immediately tell you whether your account is limited, and, if so, why. It's normal to feel concerned here. But follow the instructions in the chat carefully, this is the official channel for resolving it. If the bot confirms you are restricted and offers an appeal, respond politely and clearly. State that you haven't sent spam and explain briefly what might have caused confusion, like sending a few messages too quickly or joining multiple groups in a short time. Keep it respectful and factual. A short note is more effective than a long story. A helpful approach is something like, "I believe this was a mistake. I don't send unsolicited messages. I may have messaged several contacts recently, but I wasn't spamming." After you submit your explanation, be prepared to wait. For first-time issues, limitations are often temporary. The bot will tell you exactly when the restriction will be lifted, down to a date or time window. During this period, use Telegram normally within the allowed limits, and avoid any behavior that looks automated or aggressive. Patience is important here, continuing to push the limits won't speed things up. Finally, protect your account and avoid escalating the situation. Do not try to bypass the block by creating multiple accounts, repeatedly messaging people you don't know, or using workarounds to contact users who haven't consented. That can turn a temporary limit into a permanent ban. Once your restriction ends, pace your activity, message only people who expect to hear from you, and keep your interactions genuine. That's it. Thanks for watching.